Right away, the entire group, light, all the way through the first two corners. Oh, average. Mark with a 9.6 as well. Darcy with a 9.8. All right,
well, folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Ottawa On-Road RC Racing. We're going to go out for USGT. I unfortunately did not make it into the A this week, so we're going to go out in the B main. I'm starting BQ. This is the Tamiya TA07 Pro. Changes this week are minor, but it makes a difference. So I've taken off the rear gear cover. That saves about 20 grams and adds a bit more flex. As well as, I finally weighed these cars. I don't have that on video, but I finally weighed them. It's overweight. So what I've ended up doing is I've taken out the 6000 full spec battery, full height, and now I'm putting in the low profile battery. So that saved about 20-25 grams. So now I'm at 1420. Anyway, I'm still a little bit overweight. Anyway, we're gonna go out for USGT with the Tamiya TA07 Pro next. All right, USGT B main. I'm BQ. See if we can get the bump to the A. All right,
Andrew and Alan.
USGT B main. Starting in BQ, pole position.
Less than 10. Right away, look at John. Got a pretty strong start from that one. The team not too far behind though. Under attack by that kick car by Andrew right there. Oh, bit of a tangle up on.
Just try and keep ahead of them.
That's going to shake things up. That promotes Alan up to second place. So we have John, Alan, P, and Andrew fastest lap right now. John with 10-1 fastest lap. We have Alan going in with a 11-2 fastest lap. Andrew with 13-6 and Alan with a 15-6. Oh, getting really tangled up on the infield there.
All right, I just passed everybody.
Ooh.
And now a lap up on the grid.
It's starting to settle down there. Or not. Well, we have a car off track. Always back on track. Right now we have John up front by Andrew, Alan, and P. Fastest car on track right now is John, 10-1 fastest lap. We have Andrew with 11-4. We have P with 10-6 fastest lap. He's moving fast, but he's a little bit further behind. Then we have Alan with a 15-1 fastest lap.
Car John Taylor in first place with a 29 lap 5:09 ace place. Followed by Andrew in second place with a 22 lap 5:07.3 pace. Followed by Guy in third place with a 21 lap 5:02.5 pace. Followed by Alan in fourth place with a 20 lap 5:06.1 pace.
This is some pretty clean track I'm having. See if I can catch this group again. 10-3 lap average.
Currently John with a 29 lap pace. We have Andrew with a 25 lap pace.
That was close. Holy cow, that was pretty cool though.
Number 11, 10 flat, fastest lap.
10 flat.
The group right now. That's your flaming full Mustang up front there. Alan's going a bit quicker now, too, with the 11-4 fastest lap. He now putting in a 10-5, not too far off John's, but John goes even faster now with the 9-9 fastest lap in lap number 12.
9-9.
Let's pick up the pace now. Still lap average of 10-2. We have Andrew with lap average of 11-8. He with the 12-4 lap average, and Alan with the 13-1 lap average.
Whoa, that was sweet.
John goes faster every single lap, putting in a 9-8 fastest lap now.
Not this one. Not this one.
Pretty quick. That lap was a 10-2.
With a rollover. Sick.
Body tuck on that car. That white black car body tuck. And that car is out. So John up control by Andrew, D, and Alan.
Thanks.
Not too many changes on fastest lap so far, but John with a 30 lap pace now. Andrew with a 26 lap pace. Alan with a 22 lap pace, and he had a 14 lap pace beforehand. Oh, and John going faster now with a 9.6 fastest lap on lap number 21 there. That's a 9.6 with the USGT car. That's pretty sweet.
I'm getting some smooth corners down.
Coming down to about a minute left of the race. We still have John up front, followed by Andrew, Alan, and Guy. John currently with a 10.1 lap average. We have Andrew with an 11.5. Alan with a 13.4. And John going even faster with a 9.65 fastest lap on lap number 21.
Right to me. Thank you, Travis. Man, the speed I can hold that final corner with is pretty awesome.
We still have John in front, followed by Andrew, Alan, and Guy.
Man, that was a clean run, except for the rollover. All right. Whew. I am going to be cooking hot now. Thank you. All right, I made the bump.
Right.
Made the bump to the USGTA, so I'll be starting from
It's
5th.
going to be Jake up front, followed by Mark, Darcy, Logan, and John. So Jake on the pole, followed by Mark, Darcy, Logan, and John.
See if we can move up any positions in this USGTA after just
Winning
winning the B.
It's going to be less than 10. Everybody on the tone. Starting with the entire group, light all the way through the first two corners. Oh, small little mistake. Doesn't bring him back too far though. Still pretty tight pack. We have Jake up front, followed by Mark, Darcy, John, and Logan. Cars are looking pretty fast. We're going to see what the fast laps are going to be in a second here. All right. Fastest laps are in. We have Jake with 9.2. We have Mark with a 9 flat. Darcy with a 9.7. John with a 10 flat. And Logan with a 9.8 fastest lap. So right now in the gate, we have second place with the fastest lap on track right now. Jake with the 21 lap pace, with Mark with the 21 lap pace as well. Darcy with the 29 lap pace, John with the 28 lap pace, and Logan with the 27 lap pace. Jake with a 9.2 lap average, with Mark with a 9.1 lap average, Darcy with a 9.8 lap average, and John with a 9.9 lap average. Logan with an 11.8 lap average. Everybody's going a little bit faster incrementally. Jake's currently with a fast lap with a 9.1. We have Mark still with a 9 flat. Darcy with a 9.6 fastest lap now just put on this lap. John with a 9.7 and Logan with a 9.7 as well. Very tight pack on the track.
And I'm feeling the fade already, I think.
Jake's now averaging a 9.6 lap average. Mark with a 9.6 as well. Darcy with a 9.8. John with a 9.8 as well. And Logan with a 9.6 lap, 11.3 lap average. Jake now down to a 9.5 lap average. With a new fastest lap in the race right now, we have an 89
as if I blew that corner. Damn it, that was my chance.
That's going to be your orange car on track. Your fastest car on track. That is also your leader. Mark's not totally letting this go though. Still not too far behind, 0.2 seconds separating Jake and Mark right now on track. Fastest laps aren't too different either. A 8.997 for Jake, but Mark has a 9 flat. Darcy currently with a 9.5 fastest lap for John with a 9.6 and Logan with a 9.6 as well. Alrighty, a couple of timers going down to 2 minutes left to race. 2 minutes left. Instead, Jacob front followed by Mark, Darcy, John, and Logan. Fastest lap is still Jake with that 8-9, putting lap number 9. Mark will be doing with his personal best to 9-0-4-4, put on lap number 18. Darcy with a 9-5, put on lap number 11. John with a 9-6, fastest lap, put on lap number 10. And Logan with a 9-6 as well on lap number 8. Jake now with a 9-3 lap average. We have Mark with a 9-3-9 lap average. Darcy with a 9-9 lap average. John with a 10 flat. And Logan with a 10-6 lap average. Currently Jake with a 32 lap pace as well. Same with Mark. We have Darcy with a 30 lap pace. Same with John and Logan with a 28 lap pace. Not too far behind. Current gaps on track right now, the current battles as well. We have Jake and Mark currently separated by half a second. We have Mark to Darcy, it's going to be 12-second gap, but Darcy to John is going to be 30 seconds separating those guys. We have 2 battles on track between Jake and Mark, the first and second place car, and your 34th place car, Darcy and John.
Leaders are coming up on me again.
Alright, time is coming closer to an end. 30 seconds left, but this race is far from over. We still have Jacob Crumple, then Mark, Darcy, John, and Logan. Jake slightly faster with 8-9-5-7 fastest lap. We have Mark with 8-9-0-4-3 fastest lap now on lap number 4. Darcy
Get my pace up so I can stay ahead of this car that's coming up behind me.
Alright, come down to about 5 seconds left the race. When that tone goes, do not stop until I call your name. Everybody's still alive. Keep on going.
All right. Hashtag not last.
John K. down.
Alright, John's done. Logan's done.
Darcy down.
Alright, everybody's done. That is your race.
All right. Nice aiming, guys. That was nice.
Over Mark, Darcy, John, and Logan. But at the end there, Jacob Mark went back between those guys.
All right. That was the A-Main. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you aren't here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Bump up in an A-Main and a pretty good finish.